All right, so today we are installing these covers for our hinges on the Jeep Gladiator. I've got the Gladiator here. Comes with these gray hinges, but the bolts are painted over. So if you wanted to switch out your hinges, you're gonna have to break this paint. And I don't want to break the paint, so I'm gonna throw on these cheap covers. Check it out. Let me open it up. Adhesive on the back, and it doesn't say 3M, but I'm sure it's good. Plastic. Check it out. So I'm gonna show you how I install it. Pretty basic. Just gonna wipe it down, put them on, and I'll show you the after look. Here's the before. And why we're doing it is not for looks, but because the hinges here are gonna get damaged and the paint is gonna chip away the more you drive as the rocks go up, and the ones that don't get guarded and fall down, they're gonna come up and chip away, especially this one. It's gonna chip away your paint. So before that happens, we're gonna put these guards on. So it's gonna look cool, but it's really for protection and longevity of these hinges here. And you can always take off your doors with these hinges on. I'll show you that too. I've already wiped this down to my satisfaction. When you buy these specifically, you're gonna notice maybe some spots the adhesive isn't touching the backing, so you push that in with your finger. Push down the edges before you take the sticker off. Push it all down. Make sure it's making good contact with the plastic. At the factory, they're just throwing this on, and look over here, you can see the adhesive is lifted. So that's not a good start. I'm gonna push it up to the edge. And now when I go to take this off, it's a little better secured, because anything on the edges that's coming off is gonna slowly get worse over time. Rain, weather, heat out here. So I line it up with this and then push it on. Make sure this is snug on top. Push down your adhesive. We know there's two strips here, strip here and strip here. So when you look at it, you've got your adhesives, again, 1, 2, 3 right here, and 4. Just push those down. That's solid. And we're gonna put this on. Now this one specifically, when you look at it, there's one side that's a little longer and one that's shorter. And the longer side I put on the outside over here to protect it to the back from these rock chips. Here. Check that out. Here's the difference. You got gray and black. It's gonna protect these hinges pretty good. It's a little open back here. I think it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. And you can still get to your bolt, take your door off, no problem. You'll just have this on still, and this will go with your door. And I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest.